Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where we focus on natural ways to improve your health and well-being. In today's video, I'll be sharing the top 5 superfoods that can help lower creatinine levels and boost kidney health. If you or a loved one is dealing with high creatinine levels, this video is for you, so be sure to watch until the end. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss out on more health tips that can help you live your best life naturally. Remember, the key is organic to avoid extra stress on your kidneys. Always talk to your doctor or dietitian for personalized advice. Moving on to our next superfood, we have a refreshing and tangy favorite lemon juice. Now I know what you're thinking, lemon juice? That's not a food, it's a drink. And you're right, but trust me on this one, because adding a squeeze of lemon juice to your water can work wonders for your kidneys. You see, lemons are packed with citric acid, which acts as a natural diuretic. In simpler terms, it helps your kidneys flush out more water and waste products, including creatinine. This is especially beneficial if you're struggling with high creatinine levels, as it gives your kidneys a helping hand in removing this waste product from your body. But the benefits of lemon juice don't stop there. It also helps prevent the formation of kidney stones, those pesky little crystals that can cause excruciating pain. By increasing the citrate levels in your urine, lemon juice makes it harder for these stones to form, keeping your kidneys happy and healthy. And as if that wasn't enough, lemon juice also provides a good dose of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight inflammation and protect your kidney tissues from damage. So how can you incorporate this zesty superfood into your routine? It's as simple as starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. You can also add lemon juice to your water throughout the day for a refreshing and kidney-boosting drink. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health. So go ahead, add a little zest to your life and your kidneys with the power of lemon juice. Let's move on to our next superfood, and this one is a personal favorite, especially around the holidays: cranberries. These little red berries pack a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health. You might know them best as a Thanksgiving staple, but cranberries deserve a place in your diet year-round, especially if you're looking to lower creatinine levels and support your kidneys. So, how do cranberries work their magic? Well, they contain special compounds that help prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, including your kidneys. This is crucial because when bacteria linger in your urinary tract, they can cause infections, which can put extra stress on your kidneys. Cranberries also have a natural diuretic effect, meaning they help flush out excess fluids and waste products from your body, including creatinine. This can be particularly helpful if you're dealing with high creatinine levels, as it gives your kidneys a helping hand in removing this waste product from your bloodstream. But wait, there's more. Cranberries are also rich in antioxidants, particularly a type called proanthocyanidins, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. This means they can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, which is often associated with high creatinine levels and other kidney problems. So how can you enjoy the amazing benefits of cranberries? Well, you can enjoy them fresh, dried, or as juice. However, it's important to note that cranberry juice is often high in sugar, so it's best to choose unsweetened varieties or dilute it with water. You can also add cranberries to your smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. Get creative and find ways to incorporate this kidney-friendly superfood into your diet regularly. Our next superfood might surprise you because it's something you probably see at the grocery store every week without giving it a second thought. It's cabbage. That's right, this humble and affordable vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to supporting your kidneys. You see, cabbage belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, which is known for its impressive health benefits. One of the reasons cabbage is so good for your kidneys is its low potassium content. People with kidney problems often need to limit their potassium intake, as their kidneys may not be able to remove excess potassium from the blood effectively. Cabbage is naturally low in potassium, making it a safe and healthy choice for those watching their potassium levels. But that's not all. Cabbage is also rich in sulfur-containing compounds such as glucosinolates, which have been shown to have protective effects on the kidneys. These compounds act as antioxidants, scavenging harmful free radicals and reducing oxidative stress in the kidneys. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to kidney damage, so anything you can do to reduce it is a win for your kidney health. And as if that wasn't enough, cabbage is also a good source of fiber, which we already know is beneficial for kidney health. Fiber helps regulate digestion and promotes regular bowel movements, which can help reduce the burden on your kidneys. So, how can you incorporate more cabbage into your diet? Well, you can enjoy it raw in salads, coleslaw, or wraps. You can also ferment it to make sauerkraut, which is not only delicious but also provides probiotics that are beneficial for gut health. These vibrant veggies are not only visually appealing but also packed with nutrients that are incredibly beneficial for your kidneys. One of the reasons red bell peppers are so good for your kidneys is their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to various health problems, including kidney disease. Red bell peppers are also an excellent source of vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. But, did you know that vitamin A is also important for kidney health? Studies have shown that vitamin A deficiency can impair kidney function, so ensuring you're getting enough of this essential nutrient is crucial for optimal kidney health. But perhaps the most impressive kidney-protecting nutrient found in red bell peppers is lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that gives red bell peppers their vibrant color. It has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which are particularly beneficial for protecting your kidneys from damage. Lycopene helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys, which can help improve kidney function and lower creatinine levels. Studies have shown that people who consume lycopene-rich foods, such as red bell peppers, have a lower risk of developing kidney disease. So, how can you enjoy the amazing benefits of red bell peppers? They're incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed raw, cooked, or even roasted. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, stir-fries, or simply enjoy them as a snack with hummus or guacamole. Your journey to better kidney health starts today. It's always best to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who might benefit from these kidney-friendly superfoods. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.